Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Keystone RV Pro Tips video. I'm Kasey, and today we've got Mike here with us to share some great tips on how to take care of that beautiful matte finish on your RV.
Hey Kasey, happy to be here. Matte finishes look incredible, but keeping them that way does take some extra attention and care.
Definitely. So Mike, before we dive into the maintenance steps, let's start with some of the basics. What exactly is matte paint?
Great question. Matte paint is all about clear coat. It's purposely left a bit textured, which gives it that cool, non-glossy look. It's not like your standard shiny finish. It needs a different approach for maintenance and care.
Right, and because of that, you can't just wash and wax it like regular paint. So, Mike, what's the first step when caring for a matte finish?
First step, it's all about the wash. You want to start with a pre-wash chemical or snow foam designed specifically for matte finishes. Think of it like giving your RV a rinse before getting into the scrubbing.
Okay, that makes sense. Loosen up the dirt before wiping it. And when it's time to wash, you just can't use any soap, right?
Exactly. You need a car shampoo made for matte finishes, nothing with gloss enhancers or waxes, and no dish soap or bleach. Those can really dry out your finish or cause cracks in the matte finish. So just remember that if you're gonna wash the roof of your RV using a mild soap or bleach, you will need to plan on rinsing the entire RV immediately after washing the roof. Plan accordingly to make the time needed for the entire RV.
So what about the wash mitt? Does that really matter?
Oh, big time. Always use a microfiber wash mitt. Avoid sponges or brushes as they can scratch the finish pretty quickly. And if you drop your mitt on the ground, just grab another clean one to continue. Never use a mitt that's been dropped on the floor. You don't want dirt or grit getting on the paint.
So now what about drying? Are we gonna just air dry the entire RV?
Not quite. You'll want to use a microfiber towel or even better, a leaf blower to avoid any unsightly water spots. That way, you're not touching the paint too much, which helps avoid scratches. If using forced air like the leaf blower, use caution and avoid blowing directly on your decals.
Okay, that makes sense. Now let's talk about protecting the finish. You can't just throw on any old wax, can you?
Nope. Traditional waxes will mess with the look of the paint. You'll want to use sealants or ceramic coatings made specifically for matte finishes. And definitely avoid automatic car washes. They'll damage your sealants and could leave scratches.
That's really good to know. Now what about quick spot cleaning?
For spot cleaning, like bird droppings or tree sap, use matte-specific soaps and sprays. These are safe for the finish, and it's always best to clean up right away, even though the matte clear coat does offer some protection.
Okay. That's a great tip. And just to confirm, regular wax is a no-go.
Exactly. Skip the wax, instead use matte sealant. It's super easy to apply, even works on the wet RVs, and you won't have to worry about that hazy residue like with wax.
Now, how often should I be sealing it?
We recommend every 6 to 9 months. That should keep it looking good.
And no wet sanding or polishing, right?
Exactly. No polishing or wet sanding. That will make it shiny and ruin the matte effect.
All right, so let's wrap things up, Mike. Give me some key takeaways.
Sure thing. Wash mitt with minimal contact. Pre-wash with a degreaser or snow foam. Dry with a microfiber towel or a leaf blower to avoid scratches. Protect with ceramic coatings or sealants designed specifically for matte finishes.
You can find these products at your local auto store or detailer.
And remember, taking care of your matte finish will keep your RV looking sharp for years to come.
That's it from us at Keystone RV. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We've got plenty more tips to help you camp better.
See you out there on the road. Safe travels, everyone.